Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply my Rare Beauty blushes. Because they're so pigmented, they can be really intimidating, and I used to opt out from using them. I bought them and I never used them because I was so scared of applying too much, and when you're about to go out and you don't have much time, you want to use the products that you can rely on the most. But this has become one of the products that I rely on. And I want to show you how I apply them in today's video. I have two ways of applying them. The first way is to take a little bit on the palm of my hand, and I'm using the shade Love. Take a little bit like this. Take a brush, dip into it, and then clean the brush a little bit, and then just apply. If you need more product, then you can go ahead and dip into it a little bit more. See? It applies just the right amount of product. By the way, the brush I'm using is a SEPHORA 56 Pro Flawless Airbrush. I'm taking a little bit more, and this time I'm going to use my sponge. And sponge is okay. The brush is my preferred application, but the sponge is also okay, as long as you put some on the palm of your hand, take some product, and then clean your sponge and then apply some. And that's how I apply my Rare Beauty liquid blushes. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. This is basically how I apply really pigmented products on my face. I know they can be intimidating, but you can work around it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye!